day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Marie Claire Domingo, 37 years old, married with one child, aged 13 years old son, living in Purok Uno, Villador, Reina Mercedes. I have two sisters and two brothers. I am the first child in the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked in Hong Kong as domestic helper for 9 years. In my first employer, I served with a couple with their two children, aged 3 years old and newborn baby. I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, marketing, and cooking. And my main duties is to take care of their children. In my second employer, I served with a couple and two elderly and their two children aged 3 years old and newborn baby. I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, cooking, marketing, and my main duties is to take care of their children. In my third employer, I served with a couple with their two children, aged 3 years old and 7 months. I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, marketing, cooking, and my main duties is to take care of their children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature and inform my employer that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to give my son a better future and help my youngest brother to finish his college study.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm more patient and more calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. Like chicken, beef, stir fry, vegetable, and some Chinese soup.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. Hope you select me being your helper. I am responsible, honest, and hardworking person. I promise to finish my contract and serve your family with all my best.
Okay.